Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Now this Friday is going to be my last video for the 2019 year as I'm taking a quick break to refresh, spend time with my family and friends, and get ready for the hectic holiday season. So if you have any ideas of things you'd like to see in the new year on my videos, please write them in the comments section below. Now last time we made these adorable little canvas dot mandala Christmas ornaments, which are really cute as fridge magnets, coasters, decorations, or gifts, whatever you'd like them to be. So today we're going to repurpose a Halloween sign and make it into a cute snowman farmhouse themed decoration for your home. I'm all about making multi-seasonal decorations and I plan on doing more of that in the new year, just to save on time and space, as I have 13 totes of Halloween decorations that I could probably repurpose somehow. So if you're ready to get your crafty on, let's get started. I like to make decor that I can use for more than one season, and when I saw this cute little pumpkin I thought, I bet you he'd make an even cuter snowman. And this way you can paint on the back, you can keep both signs. Here's a quick look at the materials that we'll need, but there will be a list in the description box below. We're going to use a fleece scarf from the Dollar Tree, as well as some acrylic paint and embellishments such as buttons, ribbon, and seasonal decor. First, put down some wax paper to protect your work surface. Then remove the hanger from your little pumpkin sign and flip them over face down. Now I ran out of my favorite chalk paint, so I'm just using white acrylic paint. But we're probably going to use about 2 coats just to get the same coverage. So just paint the snowman part of the body white and let dry. Then we're going to paint his hat black. Once you have both coats of white and black paint dry, we're just going to put some ribbon across the brim of his hat. Now I found this adhesive burlap, which is quite cute, but you can just use hot glue and any kind of ribbon that you like. Just trim off the edge. Now we're going to try to make this not look so much like a witch's hat and more like a snowman hat. So we're going to cover up the little top part of his hat with some pine cones and some greenery or embellishments that you have. So just hot glue them in place to cover up that little space. Once his hat was done, I took a pencil and lightly drew a little snowman face on him as well as some arms. Now you can use marker, paint, felt, buttons, or anything that you like to put his face on.
lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and tick.
Next, we're going to use hot glue to put 3 big black buttons down his front. Then we're going to lay out the fleece scarf that we got from the dollar store, and we're going to cut a very thin strip, probably about an inch or 2, from the one fringed end all the way down to the other end. We probably won't use all of this, but it's good to have a nice length to work with.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Now we're going to wrap the scarf around Frosty's neck and glue it in place with some hot glue just to tack it, cutting off any excess that we don't need. We don't want too much glue on here though, because you want to be able to remove it in the fall when you hang it up for Halloween. Finally, you want to go over with marker and put any detailing on his nose and eyes that you like, and I also put on some little glittery snowflakes here and there, and you can add any decoration that you like. Put the hanger back on, hang them back up, and enjoy. If you had fun making this project, give it a thumbs up, and in the comment section below, let me know what ideas you have for videos in the new year. And if you haven't already done so, please click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.